So I'll take a pause here. Any questions? Any doubts?
Shiv, generally once we connect the all the profiles wherein we can able to add on automated process, right? So like once we connected there, we can send automated message or something when we are looking for this kind of profile. So can you guide me how it is happening?
No, I didn't get you. Which process?
Suppose let's take a start profile Rohini, right? So we are trying to connect with her. So once she or he is accepted with our connection, so that it will be coming on automated messages. So we are looking for this kind of opportunity wherein if you are interested, you can get back. So those kind of automated process.
Automated is not there. That's a kind of a manual. Let's say if I just connect with her, I'll have to leave a note here. Then only it will go.
Okay, okay, got it, got it, got
So
it. So we have
I
to
got
do
you
an
what
automated
you're
manual.
saying. Sometimes you get the connection request, you accept them. As soon as you accept it, you'll be able to see a message here,
Yes,
right? So
yes,
how
yes.
does that happens is once while connecting, they're leaving an additional text over here. So as soon as you accept it, you'll get the message immediately here.
Okay, so that we have to add on manually, right?
Yeah, we have to add. So when I say click,
Like,
connect, and then add that particular text, whatever I want, a short text, so that the conversion ratio is better. And then I'll just send it.
okay. And one more thing. So is there any, not even manual, is there any automated for a bunch of profiles? Can we send any notes?
Unless we are using some of the tools.
Okay. Okay. Is there
Uh,
any particular tools for LinkedIn?
Surendra,
Like
you
this
can, yeah, Surendra, you can check with Zap Info, which has been acquired by Indeed, but you really need to check with that because Indeed has mostly the capabilities which Zap Info was holding has been crushed now. So, but LinkedIn part is been working very well. So you have to go and internally check inside that Zap Info thing for this part for what you have been mentioning here. Yeah.
Oh, great, great. Thank you. Thank for information.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
All right.
So, Shiv, just a question here.
Hmm.
We just need to set all these searches and make this LinkedIn thing to be connected with a link, right? And this link is to be shared with the employees.
Yeah,
So
let's
this
say,
link is to be explore their first degree, second degree, or third degree of contacts who are eligible into this criteria, right?
right. So
All
let's
right.
say if I have a requirement of the software engineers within certain set of experience, or I would cover that in much in detail when we are having a particular on overcoming the search limitations on LinkedIn. But just to keep it simple, let's say uh, this particular repository, okay, this
Mhm.
particular uh, search like people with Java or Ruby or C++ with SQL or NoSQL, and then who are software engineers. Okay, and then this from the 62 different colleges based out of India. Okay, so we have those many number of results because we have selected India based schools or colleges and location as India. So we have a couple of people here from other locations. So you can also do the same thing. You can choose select your own location and use the same formula. Just type girls, you will get all
Right.
the list of girls universities, girls schools, girls colleges, or anything. Similarly women, you'll get all the list of it. Then after that, we go with girls space A. Then we get all the list of girls colleges, which has an word from alphabet A. Similarly, I'll go girls space B. I'll get a list of colleges which has a word girls and having some or the other word from the alphabet B. So that's how we cover all the list of university schools and all. So once we get that particular list, so let's say now to give an example, to give in the interest of time, we have selected 62 colleges. I just bookmark it saying that, okay, fine, this is G62. I'm
Yeah.
done. I'll just take this particular link. Okay.
हेलो, हाँ जी, सत श्री
Yeah,
अकाल। मैं बाद से कॉल, सॉरी शिव।
no problem. So I just select this link here, select this, and then
This is here, downside, along with the clip.
yeah, here it is.
Yes,
And then link here. I'll just type in this
put this URL.
URL
Okay.
and just select this entire URL and just copy paste that URL and say okay. Okay. So this becomes
Perfect.
this. Okay. This links comes to you. You just or to your employees, just click on the link. And in case if I'm not logged in, it will ask me to log in. So let's say I'll just sign out. Okay, so it will ask me to log in. Just log in and that search came. So immediately we are incubating the searches in their network. So likewise, I just shared here this particular search
Right.
repository. If you click on this, then you might get a different set of profile based on your network. I might get a different set of profile based on my network. So
Right.
yeah, so that's how I can generate more lead. We can definitely have
Perfect.
more session on generating employer referral leads, but this is one way of doing it,
All right.
which we covered.
Shiv, it will be like a request if you can just put that search bar thing, what you have, just copy and put it in the chat, please. Can you
Your
just do
chat, I'm
that?
not able to share it. I tried before, but I'm not able to share it here.
No. The search bar chat. The search bar. Yeah, from where you have put it. This no. Java or Ruby or C. I
This
just need to
one,
see this content. Yeah, that's it.
Search
Yes.
string you mean to say.
string unit.
Yeah. Search bar. Perfect.
Indian
Perfect.
search.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me check this out here. And we can add this for job opportunities and seeking opportunities.
You can
In this
completely
case?
add it. You can completely.
Okay.
So let's say now. So we'll have another session on overcoming LinkedIn um, searches. In that, we'll cover in detail how to go beyond these 5 operators. But let's not get confused now. Let's keep it to the basics so that we'll not get confused. So we'll go step by step. So let's say for let's say this much. Okay, so how many? 1, 2, or 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so 69 results. Software engineer with Java, Ruby, or C++ as a skill, and would have mentioned that open for opportunities or looking for jobs or something like that. So we have some different search over here. Let's say I'll just share that open for string. Okay, so yeah, looking for an opportunity to work, seeking a change to work, using new tools. So seeking for job opportunities. So I would not say 100%, but at least 70% of profiles you'll get who would be looking out for opportunities. And that 70% is also decent even for me with the free LinkedIn version of it. Earlier also I shared this string for the looking for, but let me just reshare it again. So this is GitHub, which is already done. This. So as I told, like diversity names. So if you see here, like first 500, which actually first I curated a list from Bachpan and some babynames.com websites, then kept them in a Excel. So where is it? Let me just come to them. So curated a list like that, and then consolidated them in one particular Excel, and then this is different. Similarly, using such formula. Not this also, this is formula. So yeah, let me just give an example like this also. Okay, so maybe for the first 500, second 500, third 500, we created a name sets, and that's how it came over here. And then using that OR builder, first 500, second 500, third 500, and fourth 500. So this is useful in a LinkedIn Recruiter, but not in a free version of a LinkedIn. In case if you have a LinkedIn Recruiter, that would be useful, but not in a free version. So similarly, if I have to go with the free version, then that could be the best way of doing it. So open for, where is that particular string? Okay, for now you can just take this. This is also more optimal. So job change, open to work. You can see this one. Okay,
Yeah.
paste it here. Yeah, job change, open to work, or new opportunities, or looking for, or available, or seeking opportunities for opportunities. If you see, observe over here, space before or remains as it is, space after or goes off, so that we come that a limitation of particular thing. But I'll cover in detail on a later session for when we cover exclusive session on LinkedIn and overcoming its search limitations. So for now, you can just take a note. This is how it is. If you're looking for something, who is open for job or open to work, just copy paste this string. I just shared in a chat. You can copy paste that.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. So I might cover more in detail, but it will confuse us. So let's park that discussion on a complete different discussion of overcoming LinkedIn searches. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. In the direct search, maybe whichever the location I can go with, and number of the schools and colleges. I did run the searches. Also, I did show you the searches where I've added up to 120 plus colleges or 130 plus colleges, 95 colleges, 120.
Shiv?
Yeah.
Shiv, you've posted me. I think the others are job change wala.
I lost you. I posted.
Shiv, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, you posted privately. The rest of them on the group able to see what you just job change or open to.
We are losing you.
She's saying that you posted on a personal window. Maybe you will have to change the option to everyone in the drop down in Google Zoom chat.
Sorry, yeah. I
Yeah.
responded. How come it is only for this?
You have put that thing on a Word document or something. So you just
Okay,
check from there.
it's for everyone now. Just check now, please.
Yes. All right.
Yeah, Veda, which link you're asking?
Hi Shiv, I asked actually the WhatsApp. I was not in talent sourcing third group, so I was in talent sourcing second group only. So I was asking for the link where I can join third group also.
Okay, fine. You ping me on WhatsApp. I'll add you there.
Sure, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll just take a pause. Any follow-up questions, doubts, confusion? And this works absolutely for any country across the globe. So we have a couple of people from other locations. So that's for your reference as well.
So what was the reference you were telling about sharing the link to the employees?
Yes.
Something you mentioned to send it to the employees, the link.
Yeah, something like this. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do is like I'll just create one particular template. I'll punch in that link over here, and I'll say, so these searches are searching in my network. So my employees might have their own network, and their network might be definitely a better than my network when it comes to a engineering role or the product management role or whichever the role. So definitely for whichever the role I'm searching for, I'll ask my own employees. First, I'll create a link. First, I'll create a basic search based on, let's say I got a requirement for Java or Ruby or C++ developer, any object-oriented developer guys I want, candidates I want who might be looking out for a job. So this is something which is showing in my own network. My employees also would have number of people in their network, maybe from their colleges, or definitely everyone has their own separate network. So I might not be able to see them, but if I use this particular URL and insert incubate in the link and share it with my employees and ask them, okay, fine, click on the link. And then you might have to log in. Once you log in, you'll be able to see a list of candidates in your network. And if you see someone who is open for opportunities, you can definitely refer them. So yeah, that's one way of generating a better and quality leads. And this works amazingly in startups. If someone would have tried it, not tried it, just try it once. So this is only for diversity. If it in non-diversity case also it works. So you just create the searches, and where you feel like, fine, these are the perfect searches, I'm getting some of the perfect candidate, or maybe you might have ran out of the searches monthly limitation. That time you just go share this URL with your employees, let them also run out of it. But by the time they run out of it, you would have already generated number of leads. Yeah, Raj, you had some question? So yeah, just to again briefly describe once more, what we have done is like, let's come to home. Simple search. Clicked on people. Then maybe location I've taken. And additionally, whatever I'm looking out for. Brand manager or management or not development. Let's see. All right, now we got it. So first approach, we just go all filters. Oh. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll just go with this much. So I got a couple of people. Again, those are the diversity ones from India, matching that product management or the product manager roles. So similarly, that's the first approach. If that approach does not satisfies me, then I would remove this, show results. Then again, go for all filters. In school, first type any one thing, I'll type just girls and girls who code. Again, I'll say Devi Ahilya and show results. Okay, so only searching only from that too. So that's the reason we are not getting. So I'll just again type girls. Better I'll copy it. So even some international schools are also coming. It's okay to take it because LinkedIn gives us the results in order from the majority of the results which are matching our searches. Is it a slow man? So I just got 5 results. And then maybe additionally, now I'll say after girls are finished, we have definitely not finished in this example. I'll go for A. Now I started getting more refined results because in dropdown, again, LinkedIn has a limitation of giving those list of colleges. I don't think there's a limitation, but when it is too extensive, it gives limited results. So similarly, I'll just now go for, let's say S. So it's a slow machine learning again. As we selected more US based colleges, it started suggesting more of US based one. Again, it has a slow machine learning. So again, we got it. So like that, we run from A to Z. And here, if you see in this example, we have run quite a few searches. Oh, what is that? So this something, sometimes it comes as it breaks the searches, but it's okay. We can still wait and try after some time. Then again, it start coming. So likewise, if I say, let's say if I've gone to other searches, which you have saved it, now it will keep breaking it. It won't show me. Okay, it's showing for good reason it's showing, but once it starts breaking, maybe you'll have to give some hours of gap and again you'll start getting the results again. So that's the reason I told, like, don't go beyond 80, 100. Once you approach that 75 to 80 schools, save it, bookmark it as a set 1. Then again 70, 80 schools as a set 2. Again 70, 80 schools as a set 3. So we might come up with 8 to 10 different sets or anything. But that's the most optimal way of getting a diversity results for whatever the skills or whatever the location we would require. So that's one way. And now coming to second way of it. So I'll just take a pause in the first way. Any further questions on this? Any follow-up questions? Okay, link creation in.
Shiv, just a question here.
Hmm.
On this above search bar where you have typed it across Java, Ruby, C++, there we can't put that job opportunities and that link there, right? Because it is restricted for 5 or thing, right? Operators basically.
See, that's what I mentioned. Let's keep it for basics now. How to break the number of ORs we'll cover in a later session.
Okay, got it. All right, thank you.
Otherwise, it will be confusing. So let's keep it simple, only for a diversity now. That we'll cover in later, so that overall you'll get to know, okay, fine. Now I need to overcome the limit of the LinkedIn searches. Also, I need to give the diversity search filters. So it takes time to get through there. But yeah, let's go step by step. Otherwise, it will be confusing altogether.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
But otherwise, here also definitely we can give that looking for jobs and all everything. That's the reason I just mentioned. For now, just keep it short for this. Just take it as a note if you want people who are looking out for a job with more number of keywords. This is the way we can break the limitation. Let's say I'll just take this. But let's not get into that thing completely. It will divert the topic. So it stopped performing. Let me just go back. That I'll cover later in detail.
All right. No worries. Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. I'll just take a pause. Any further questions? So Nitya was asking how to create a link. Let's say I'll just copy this part. Let's say again respond. So link here. So whatever the text I'm writing and link here, select this. And here you have attachment and then insert link. Then copy here. What text you wanted to display, you can change that, but otherwise to what URL should this link go? That's it. And it becomes a link. Similarly, this link you can insert, let's say if it is a Word document or if it is a Outlook, you always have an insert option. So here in Mac, I need to see where is the insert option. Okay, insert here. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, link, web page. And that's it, link. Yeah, I've generated the link here. We are losing you. Okay, similarly in Outlook also you have an option of creating that particular links. So we might run out of time in next 10 minutes. So please re-log in using the same login details. We'll cover on a next approach. So this is the first approach. So next 10 minutes, let's spend on this first approach. Any further follow-up questions, please feel free to ask. Are we good? Yes, no?
Yes.
Chitra,
Yes,
Nitya?
sure.
Great. Second approach, we'll go with Mysil's approach as well. Maybe other people also might know about people writing she, her, hers, and all. We'll explore that approach. Shakuntala, can you please ask? Can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you were asking some question.
Yeah, I just wanted a help to know like the diversity hiring for the database engineer skill. Can that be tried here?
Okay, sure. So this is your requirement, right? Let me just copy it and keep it in the Word. So this is your requirement, right? Database engineer.
Yes, sir.
You can call me Shiv. SQL,
Yes.
SQL, AWS, Big Data, HBase, NiFi, Hive, HBase, Hive. All right. SQL, HBase. One, two, three. Yeah, so you have still further results. So it's again with the limited set of policies, but that's still good. Data science engineer, data engineer, or big data engineers. And all are diversity. Is this good?
Yes, sir. Fine. Can that link be shared in the chat room?
Want to search? Okay, so that's about it. So let me come back. So let's explore the second way. Like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. I think ors are more. Let me remove this. Java or Ruby or Python? Go or go? 1, 2, 3, 4. C++. Okay. Now, all filters. So now second approach, using she or she / her. Let me take a notepad. She or she / her or she, her, us. She or her, or she, her, hers. So I still have an additional limit. So I'll still use it. So she would cover that also. Okay. She / with space. Her. This is without space. Here also. She with space / with space. Us. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woman. That's it. So we'll just take this part. So we would be running out of time in next 1 minute. So please relog in using the same login detail. And shall we use it in first name or title? Think through.
Title.
First name.
Shiv, what I have seen is some people write pronouns in their name itself and in the summary.
All right. Okay, so is it a part of a name or is it a part of a title?